You see this little advertisement and this powered by Odoo? Maybe you don't want that. What if it could look nice and clean like this instead? Getting rid of Odoo's branding and their little advertisements can be a bit of a pain sometimes, especially if you're hosted in ODOO.com instead of ODOO.sh or self-hosted. Now, if you can install third-party apps, this is much easier. I've included some apps that should help you in the description below, so you can go ahead and grab those if you want. But not all of us have that luxury, so I'm going to show you a few tricks to help you remove these items from your emails. And certainly, you can use this in a lot of different places in Odoo if you need to inherit a view and adjust it. So pay attention. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to find the view that we want to edit. What I normally look for is a piece of static text, so something that I don't think is changing. So right here, I'm probably going to do run your business to find this section right here. Once you've got that bit of text, make sure you're in developer mode in Odoo, type views, and then we're going to come in, paste what we're looking for, and look for it in the view architecture. Now we've got our view, and it looks like this is the one that we want to edit. Now that we've found our view, we need to inherit it or inherit a piece of it so that we can adjust that to our liking. So what we want to do is this. Go up, right click, and duplicate your tab. Go to new, and then we're going to create a new view here. So I've gone ahead and named my view exactly like the original view with underscore remove. Then my inherited view is this original view right here. And we want to make sure the view inheritance mode is in extension view. Now we need to go into the architecture. So looking at this, we're using an XPath to inherit the first TD tag, and we're replacing it. Looking back at our original view here, the first TD tag basically takes up everything inside of this view. So let's go ahead and look at our results so far. Looking at our email, you can see that the whole mobile advertisement is gone now. But we still want to get rid of this pesky powered by Odoo. So let's repeat our process. So our static text this time is going to be powered by. And we're going to search the view architecture. And looking at this, our most likely culprit here is this digest mail main. So we're going to come in here and scroll down and see where we've got our powered by right here. So we want to get rid of this, and we need to find a good identifier here. IDs are especially useful when we're trying to use inheritance. So let's use this p tag here and try and inherit it and suppress all of this. Let's go ahead and duplicate our tab again, go to new, and let's build this out. So once again, I took the original name of my view, which is digest mail main, and added suppress powered. Then the inherited view is again digest mail main, and we want to make sure this is an extension view. Then down in our code, what we want to do is we want to identify a p tag with the ID powered, and then we want to replace it. Okay, now we've got this guy active. Let's see what the result is. And there you have it. Looking at the email that we would have sent out, you don't have any powered by Odoo anymore. So there you have it. Now you've cleaned up your digest email, and you can do the same with your other emails. As always, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, or feel free to reach out if you need a little bit more personalized help. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon.